This is what my husband did. Like, literally. Ugh. Good afternoon. So I just got back. I took Madam to the hospital because she was not feeling fine. She started vomiting yesterday night. Like,
Excuse me.
she has been vomiting. I was super scared. So I had to take her to the hospital today, and they found out she has malaria plus one. And for the typhoid, they said I need to bring a stool for her. She even said vomited again like 3 times in the hospital. They had to like give her injection to stop the vomit. And the doctor was like, if she does not stop vomiting, they will have to administer her in the hospital. Say, here. I said, I beg go. So luckily she stopped the vomiting, and they took some blood samples. She had malaria, as I said earlier on. Then they checked her vitals and everything was fine. So they gave us medicine for the malaria. And we'll still have to go back when she has poo for the stool test. Anyway, so I just got back, and what I have seen here is so ridiculous because hubby fleeted the house. My previous vlog, which was that was on Saturday, we were supposed to fleet, but he didn't fleet because he did not go to work. So today, everybody's not in the house. He tried to fleet and went to work, and the whole house, like, he turned my whole kitchen upside down. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing. Like, it's going to take me hours, but I left Madam with my sister, so she's going to be with my sister till I finish cleaning. It's going to take me hours to clean this place. Like, hours. This is what my husband did. Like, literally. Ugh. Everywhere. He uprooted everything, and I have to clean all this. Like, all this has to be clean. In our room, he put the bed upside down, and I have to clean that as well. So anyway, let me be cleaning all the whole cleaning process because it's a lot. I have to focus and clean because cleaning and filming video is not easy. So I need to focus and clean so I can clean the whole house on time before Ramadan can come. Like, he flipped up and down, both the ceiling and both the floor. The floor is so sticky. He said, baby, yes, I have to flit everywhere so our daughter will not be falling sick again. Alright guys, let me clean the house and I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'll show you guys what it looks like.
One eternity later.
Hi guys. Oh god, I'm tired. Madam is sleeping right there. As I said, she's not feeling fine. So I went to pick her off my sister's place because she was crying. So I had to go and pick her up and came back and continue cleaning. So I'm done cleaning the 2 rooms, the 2 toilets. I'm done with that place. I'm done cleaning the parlor section. So I'm just tackling this whole kitchen. I just want to give you guys updates. As I said, I won't be showing you guys how I'm cleaning because if I should do showing and cleaning, I'm not gonna finish this cleaning today. I've already cleaned this side, like under all this place. I have cleaned there, so I also want to use my mop and clean it again. I used rag and Omo and jig to clean inside there, so I want to use my mop and re-clean it again. Hubby said he's coming back to come and help out, and we are still going to do a second part, like removing all the whole dishes and flit it again tomorrow. so that we know that we have removed every cockroaches in this house. Yeah. Anyway, I just want to give you guys updates. What's the time? The time now is it's 5. It's 5 o'clock, and I started this cleaning around 1, and it's 5. Like 4 hours in the cleaning the house. Like, it's not easy. Thank God I am not filming it. If not, it will be more than. I will finish it in the middle of the night. But anyway, I just want to give you guys updates, and I'll keep on cleaning the house. I'm hungry. I have not. What did I eat today? In the morning, I didn't eat anything. In the afternoon, okay, when I went to my sister's place to drop madam, I ate little spaghetti and plenty egg, because now I'm trying to do this high protein meal, like high protein meal. So more of eggs, little starch. So I ate small spaghetti, 2 meatballs, and lots of eggs. So that's what I had. And yeah, maybe after I'm done with all these things, I'll eat my remaining um eggplant lasagna. Maybe that's what I'll have, or I'll have salad for dinner and sleep. Yeah. So finger crossed. See you guys tomorrow when we are doing part 2 of cleaning this kitchen again.
Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time. I stopped going out to bars, I quit smoking. Thought that giving that all up would keep me going. I got over people pleasing. I quit falling into love that had no meaning. I could search forever for a peace I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time. There's a storm inside my dreams. I'm still standing on 2 feet. Let the current carry me when the water gets too deep. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time.
Good morning.
Hi guys, welcome to a new day. So today we are starting up by cleaning the kitchen. Like, hubby removed all your doors from the cabinet. Like, we are going to give this kitchen a very, very huge deep cleaning. So this is what we are doing for today, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after we are done. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning routine with us. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her. Knocked me over 10 feet forward. Never knew I could sleep alone good, I've never been better. You're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Remember when you tried putting up a fight, bet you feel stupid.
So we are done. Everything looks good and clean. This is around in the evening. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my best in my next one. Bye for now.
Sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like